Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Ian Riddell, Ski Patrol. This is Solitude Chatter. Today is Wednesday, November 23rd. This day last year was the opening of the resort, so we're already a couple weeks ahead of schedule for this season. It's been skiing great. Currently today we're picking up a little bit of new snow. We anticipate getting snow throughout the day. Moving forward, we anticipate opening the Eagle Express lift tomorrow, Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving. Currently the avalanche mitigation work is complete in the Honeycomb Canyon. As we speak right now, rope lines are being set up in there, and we anticipate having an opening in the canyon within the week. Weather for next week, we're looking at a couple nice storms that look like they're going to roll through the area. It's like maybe the first one might impact us Monday night through Wednesday, and then a second storm approaching late in the week, maybe into the weekend. So keep your fingers crossed for that. That'll definitely improve conditions and allow us to open up more terrain. Although the conditions are very good right now as we speak. Snowmaking's done a great job, and Mother Nature's really kicked in this year. So conditions are great up here. I hope to see you on the slopes.